Hi, today I am going to show you one of my favorite childhood recipe. This is the eggplant stir fry recipe. So all you need is about 6 eggplants here. These are Asian eggplant, very firm and shiny, washed, and then just pop them in the oven for about 30 minutes, or you can burn it over the fire like I used to, but the fire kind of give a little charcoal skin, might be a problematic later. um, I seem to think, the oven works better these days. After 30 minutes, take them out. They kind of look like this, kind of brown and just easy, very easy to peel the skin off. If we're doing the regular stir fry, the fresh kind, you can just use the skin, but in this one, the skin kind of chewy, so just kind of give it a quick score at the end. The thin, paper thin, kind of like skin, just rip it off and then kind of scrape it off like this. You do however you want. This is how my mom used to do it, so I'm just kind of scrape it off like this, or you can just chunk them up. It's easy, super quick and easy. No fancy recipe here. Just keep going. That's 2, and that is 6. That is how much I have. I love this stuff. I could go for one sitting about half of that. So I have about half a cup to a quarter a cup of green onion. You can do fresh. Today I just happen to just have these ready and I need to use those. And a handful of garlic. Mince them up. It's probably about 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. And get your sauce ready. 2 tablespoons of sauce and about a teaspoon of sugar. In a wok, big large wok, pour some oil in there, maybe a couple of tablespoons. Pop the garlic in, let it kind of release the aroma, and it's a little brown there. Pop in your sauce, give it a quick stir, and you gotta be quick because there's not much sauce. I turn the heat off, and basically just pop your eggplant in and quickly stir it around. I turn it back on with low and keep stirring around for a little bit. Make sure everything, all the sauce and the eggplant kind of mixed up well. I turn the heat back on because I'm going to add a little bit more oil in here, and pop in my onion, my green onion. Give it a quick stir for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then really turn this off. You're all done. It smells awesome. I promise you, it smells so garlicky and it smells so good. Quickly stir it around, mix it up, and that is it. There we go. This is so quick and simple. I hope you like this recipe. It's super healthy, super simple, and super quick. It's super easy. I don't know, it's super everything. It's super powerful for you. I mean, you can eat this with white rice, or I can just sit here and eat this by itself, half of it, and then left over for another meal, half of it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this recipe, and share with someone who likes this sort of recipe. Click that subscribe button for future Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening, and more. Have a great day, and bye-bye.